Hey guys, so today I'm sharing a very healthy, nutritious dessert recipe, whole wheat carrot walnut muffins. This contains the goodness of whole wheat, which is rich in fiber, and carrots, which are a good source of fiber yet again, and beta carotene and vitamin A, and coconut sugar, which has a lot of gut health benefits.
So let's begin with the ingredients. What we have here is 1.5 cups of whole wheat flour, 3/4 cups of coconut sugar, 2 medium-sized carrots which are washed, peeled and grated. If you have small carrots, you can make it as 3 carrots. 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. What I'm using here is sunflower oil. These are walnuts and raisins which I've dusted with some flour so that they don't stick to the batter. And this is a slurry which I will describe in detail later. 1/3 cup of sour curd,
Half a cup of milk, and 1/4 teaspoon each of nutmeg powder and cardamom powder.
In a large mixing bowl, take the 1.5 cups of whole wheat flour which has been sieved. Add the grated carrots, which is about 2 medium sized or 3 small carrots. Need to add the cardamom and nutmeg powder. Next in goes the coconut sugar. So combine all the dry ingredients along with the carrots. So the carrots are evenly distributed with the flour and the sugar and the powdered spices. Next we add in the sour curd, which is about 1/3 cup of curd. Along in goes 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. So like I said, it's a very simple one bowl recipe. You don't need to whisk, you don't need to use any exotic ingredients. Everything is what is available at home. So next goes in about half a cup of milk. So now the mixture is well combined and the consistency should be that of a dropping consistency like I'm showing you. So this is the right time to add the baking powder and the baking soda and combine it along with the batter. So in goes in the nuts right at the end. Some chopped walnuts and raisins which I've dusted in some whole wheat flour, so that it doesn't sink to the bottom when we line it into the muffin tray. And here's my muffin tray which I have pre-greased with a little bit of vegetable oil. So here we've lined our muffin tray with the carrot cake mix, and make sure you don't go more than 3/4 of the molds because it's anyway going to rise a bit. So this is a slurry which I'm going to use as a topping for the muffins. It contains about 2 tablespoons of melted butter, about 2 teaspoons of roasted cashew nuts and desiccated coconut. This is totally optional, but I kind of like adding this on top of the muffins because it gives that classic bakery taste when you bite into it. And it also gives a lovely golden crust. So here are our muffins which go into the oven at about 180 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. So now our muffins are baked. It's been almost 22 to 25 minutes. So these are our gorgeous, beautiful, healthy, super nutritious whole wheat carrot walnut muffins. So I'm just going to pick one and show you how they have come out. They're just super soft and super moist with the beautiful cashew slurry on top. Here I'm just going to cut one of the muffins and show you how soft and super yummy they've turned out. And what's more, it's so healthy to eat. And it's a typical guilt-free dessert.
So don't forget to try this guilt-free dessert recipe and indulge your friends and family. Follow us on Instagram and subscribe to GastroTalks for further gut-related videos and updates. Remember, gut health matters.